Welcome to a review of one of the watches that I actually have not yet reviewed, even though it's in my possession since like 2 years. It's the Seiko SKA367 P1, and here we go, this is the one. Okay, it's diver's watch, as you can see, 200 meters. And other than most of my other watches, it's not automatic, it's a kinetic, as you can read here as well. So what's the difference to the kinetic and automatic? I'm just going to show you the monster, which is that one. And this is a full automatic watch, which is as well written on dial. And the difference is basically the movement is charged by a rotor in the back, which you can't see, while wearing it. So it's actually the same principle for the kinetic watch. However, you can see the movement here, and this one is very smooth and it's running through. While compared to the kinetic one, it's jumping. It's a jumping second. So back to the kinetic. You can buy this one in Germany officially through Seiko. However, they're selling it for like €349 and not with a metal bracelet but with a rubber one. Obviously, I would never buy that watch for this much money. I got it through eBay, through a dealer, trusted dealer in Singapore, and I paid approximately $170 for it, which is a very good price for this one. It's not worth $350. Well, I would say it's maybe worth $350, but I would not pay that much if you can get it for half the price on eBay, basically. Okay, so let me show you the watch a bit. There we go. It's a full metal bracelet, solid metal bracelet, yeah, with a clasp, double clasp. You have the 2 push buttons, and you have a diver's extension on this one as well. So how it works, you just go here, sorry, here we go, and then you can basically extend it if you want to wear a wetsuit. Most people who own diver's watches actually never use it in water. However, it's a nice tool to have. And then show me the case back. Okay, and then let's go back to the dial. Okay, how this one works, basically it has a rotor in the caliber as an automatic watch, so you charge it by wearing it, obviously. However, this one has a power reserve of up to 6 months, and that's the great thing about it. So I'll just show you in a moment how this one actually works, because you have a little push button here, and that one will indicate you how much power reserve you have, which is a really cool tool. So let me just wait for the 12th position. Just a second, and here we go. So you just press it, then it will jump to one of the locations. So it has 4 possible positions, which is 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 20 and 30 seconds. And what it basically does is, let me just give you all the information. Okay, so if it stops at the 5-second position, let me just go a bit closer. If it stops at the 5-second position, it means it has a power reserve of 1 to 7 days. If it stops at the 10-second position, it has a power reserve between 7 days and 1 month. If it stops at 20, which it did in the video now, it has a power reserve of 1 to 4 months. And if it stops at 30 seconds, it can has a power reserve between 4 to 6 months. Okay, recommendable or not this watch? I would say yes. However, you have to be very careful if you're a watch collector, because that watch needs a lot of time on your wrist, because somewhere I read online that it needs 24,000 swings for the rotor to fully charge. Now, I was wearing this watch now for like 4 days and it was not completely discharged. So it was at a 10 second when I started wearing it now, and now I got it up to a 20 and it's still not fully charged. So I reckon you'll need approximately like a full week of wearing it non-stop to get it fully charged. So if you're a watch collector and have a lot of watches, it might take a lot of time away to basically charge this watch. Then just one more thing before we stop the video. So this is one of my other Kinetic watches, and it's the Velatura Direct Drive. The difference between these two is basically that with the Velatura you have the power reserve indicator here, which is 1 month, and the good thing about that one is, let me show you, you can see it in one of my other reviews as well, you can hand wind it. So give me a second, here we go. So you just have to start it, and then you can see the indicator how you're charging it. So that's a good thing about the direct drive, which the SKA doesn't have. So all in all, very nice watch. Let me give you some close-up shots so you can see the caliber. Here you go, 5M62 the caliber, Japan made, Kinetic direct drive, and you have that one actually available in different colors. I wanted the yellow one, so you have it in yellow, you have it in black, you have it in blue, and which other watch? That's think that's the colors, and you have it in full black as well. You can have the bracelet and the case in black. I think in black it looks really nice. However, it's a bit difficult yellow to wear to work. Depends on what job you're doing. However, it's my time off watch. So let me show you one more time the power indicator. Here we go. Great watch, I can recommend it. Very nice. Let me just show you how it looks on the wrist. So you have size. Okay, here we go. Sorry. So very nice, heavy watch. I can recommend it. Thank you very much.